the end of the day, we all had our reasons for choosing Dell. But I know I speak for all of us when I say it is a decision we are forever grateful for, as all 104 of us have become a second family.
Hello, my name is Matthew Monsalone. I'm currently in grade 12, and my favorite part about my day-to-day life at De La Salle is that there's honestly something new happening every day at the school, and there's always people there that help you and guide you no matter what.
Dell is just such a good atmosphere and a community.
At De La Salle, because of the flexible schedule, we have ILT to do things that we really enjoy.
And now, to those of us who will walk through those doors today, look around at the people to your left, your right, behind you. These people are more than just peers or classmates or people that you knew from high school. They're your family.